In MODO 14.0v1, a handful of changes have been made to our UV tools. Though subtle, you'll find these changes to be beneficial when using MODO's UV workflow. Firstly are the changes made to the UV Relax tool. We've disabled the auto-activation of UV Relax, so now the operation will run only after you've set your chosen mode and values in the settings, and then activated the tool by clicking in the UV viewport. We've also added a new setting, Ignore Edge Selection. It's enabled by default, and when enabled, MODO will ignore any selected edges when running the Relax operation, excluding the need for you to drop any edge selections remaining from previous UV operations like UV Unwrap. Secondly is a new combination tool, Unwrap and Relax. As the name implies, this tool is a combination of the UV Unwrap and the UV Relax tools, allowing you to run both tools in the same step and helping to streamline your UV workflow.